time source is a new concept in GameMaker that allows you to create a much more dynamic and flexible version of an alarm. You can use these whenever you want something to happen in your game after a specific amount of time, either in frames or in seconds that are not at all tied to your frame rate. Create one with time source create. You include a parent time source, which should generally be either time source game or time source global. These are almost the same, but the latter can never be paused. So the global source should be used for timers that you want to keep running at all times, and the game source for anything you might want to be able to pause when you pause your game, for example. Then set how long you want the timer to take before it goes off, and whether you mean in frames or in seconds. If you use seconds, the timer won't be linked to your frame rate and will happen at the correct time regardless of if your game runs faster or slower. Then define what you want to happen by passing in a function. This can be a function you've already defined, or you can even use the function command here to define one as you're making the time source. Then you can optionally pass an array of arguments for that function to use, and the number of times this time source should happen in a row, just once by default, -1 will make it go forever. Now you've defined this time source, start it whenever you want by calling time source start, naming the source you just created. You can then stop, start, and reconfigure this time source whenever and however you want. I love this new feature to bits. It fixes basically every issue I had with alarms, and I really can't see a reason to use regular alarms at all anymore. Hope you found this helpful, guys, and I'll catch you all next time.